Hello besties, let's make pork siomai or meat siomai because you can also use chicken or turkey meat as long as it's ground. Anyway, I just want to say watch out because this recipe can be very addicting. It has been a favorite among friends and family. It's very flavorful and packed with nutrients too. Of course, it's also easy to prepare, so you can freeze them before your future events. Make them a few days ahead, and just as long as you keep them in a tight container, then you're good to go. It's also a low-carb recipe that you can enjoy on its own. Don't forget to also make your own garlic oil, or better yet, maybe you can buy a commercial one. Garlic oil and add lemon and soy sauce for your dip. I hope you will enjoy it. Please share, subscribe, and like this video for more. Thank you.